Hello and welcome. The pose I want to walk you through today is upward facing dog. This is a foundational pose. It's part of the sun salutation you're probably doing in each yoga class. So we're gonna come to lie down on our belly. Um, Toes are pointed back. We're gonna pull the kneecap, engaging the leg. Feet are hip distance apart. And you wanna engage the leg totally, engage the glute, hugging the navel in, engaging the core. And we're gonna keep the arms close to the body, elbows pointing back, and the wrists, the palms is in line with your waist. Forehead towards the ground. On an inhalation, you want to push the floor away, lifting the body and reaching your chest forward and up. Taking the shoulders down, elbow crease facing forward, gazing either forward or up, whichever feels right for you. And when you're ready to come down, lower all the way to the ground. So in upward facing dog, your weight is on the palms and on the toes, and you're lifting the body. And sometimes this can be too much, or also the back bending in it can be a little bit much. So I'm gonna offer you a different variation, coming to a cobra if upward dog is not accessible for you. So you want to take the fingertips in line with the shoulders, elbows facing back, engaging the core, engaging the leg. And on an inhale, you start lifting the chest and the shoulders up, shoulders back and down the spine. And you can take extending the arms as far as your body allows. You want to avoid this where the shoulders are like up towards the ears. You want to make sure wherever you are, your shoulders are back and down the spine. So it doesn't matter how high up you lift, just keep a proper alignment. You can also take your palms forward slightly to make it a bit easier on the back. Hope that was helpful. Thank you.